What up, what it is, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied, and I'm back with another one for y'all. Y'all already know what to do. Smash that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber to this channel yet. Don't cost me nothing, don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. Y'all already know what's up. But it's a new day. Feels actually pretty good outside today. Jacksonville weather been tripping lately. Like, it's been cold one day, next day it's warm. It hasn't really been getting hot yet, but or it'll be hot throughout the day, and then at night it drops down into like the high 30s. So it's been crazy. People been getting sick like crazy. Like, yeah, it's been.
You got the vid?
Excuse that. I'm not sick. Don't worry. But just, what's up, little man? What's up? Let him do his business outside while I get ready to head up to the shop. I gotta head up to this graphics shop. Come on, little man. I gotta head up to this graphics shop and get these labels filled in on the back of my car. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm trying to get these labels right here filled in. I'm trying to tie it in, and it's especially my little play sign right here on the Srtfied. And I'm thinking about doing something on the hood. I don't want to go too crazy. Big shout out to Headlight 44. He actually inspired me to want to do something with it, because if you guys follow his channel, you guys will know he has the little yellow outline on his Hemi. I'm thinking about doing something similar to that, or actually doing that, but not in yellow, obviously. I'm going to do it in the copper that I have for my car club logo. To match the wheels. So I think the back, that, and just the outline right there, it'll tie everything together, and that's gonna be as far as I'm gonna go before I get this car officially wrapped. So I'm gonna get you guys a cold start before I get in this car. Here to the shop, see what they can do to or what they're talking about, because price wise, you know, this is not a modification that I absolutely have to do, or let me not say have to do. It's not a modification that is on high on my priority or want list. Let me just say that it's just something that I thought about when I put my wheels on, that I was like, you know what? I need something to bring in. I need something to bring in those wheels. You know, granted, yes, I have my car club logos on there that kind of brings everything together, but I need a little more pop, just a little more pop, just slightly. You know, I don't want to overdo it. I definitely don't want to overdo it. I've never been a fan of going too crazy with the graphics and stickers and stuff like that. I've always been big on keeping it simple, you know. I think simple is better. Sometimes when you go overboard with the visuals, such as like crazy wraps and stuff like that, it takes away from the car, man. But that's just me. Like I said, no hate thrown on anybody out here who does crazy stuff to their cars, crazy wraps and stuff, because there are some dope cars out here. So no hate on them at all, but that's just not me. I'm all about simple modifications and keeping the car as natural but enhanced. You know, it's just like I tell women with makeup, you know, who wear makeup. Don't go overboard. If you go overboard, you start looking like a clown. You know, you don't want to completely transform the look of you, you know. So it's the same concept with my car. I don't want to detract from the fact and the beauty of it being a Daytona 392. I still want to have that classic, I ain't gonna say classic, but I still want to have that look, to where you know it's a Charger, you know. But yeah, I'm about to head up to the shop, and I'll get you guys when I get up to the shop and figure everything out while I'm there. So let's go. I made it up here to Graphics Mafia. They do a bunch of printing, decals, and vinyl wraps as well. So make sure y'all check them out if y'all in the Jayville area. What's going on, big man? How you doing? me see, y'all. These are all the available fonts they got.
I'm not sure how that would.
Vinyl colors. They got way more colors than that.
Yes.
Shout out to my dog Woozy. If y'all in the Jacksonville area, make sure y'all come check us out, man. June 26th, King of the South Car Show, man. Make sure y'all come through. So yeah, just this piece right here, I just want to get that filled in. And then obviously this right here.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much the same vinyl that's right here. I think that's copper that we got it. But yeah, guys, this is where I got all my decals from, my club decals and everything. So they do good work. They definitely do good work. So we're gonna get these things filled in. The Hemi, like I said, I wasn't too sure about it. I had an inspiration by Hemi Life 44, so big shout out to him again. I always try to give people credit where credit is due. I don't want anybody thinking that I'm trying to jot their style and trying to think I'm the first one to do something. No, if I get inspired by somebody, I'm definitely gonna give you a shout out. But it's rare that I do try to mimic what somebody else has done to their car. So it's rare, but that definitely inspired me. But since he can't do that, I'm just gonna get those two things done and call it a day until I get the car wrapped, and then I'll go custom on that. But the wrap will come later on down the line, probably towards the end of the year when I'm planning on getting this car wrapped, because right now I'm really enjoying the white. So so we getting everything situated. They got a truck in here. What are y'all doing with this truck? Just business labels? Yeah, they're just doing business labels on there. Y'all did all of these or just, oh, okay. So yeah, y'all see what they do in here. They do full body wraps and everything, so make sure y'all check them out, man. Here's the information for it. Oh yeah, y'all see the vinyl wraps on the wall. They got plenty of colors to choose from. So make sure y'all come up here if you guys want to get some custom work done. Damn, that was quick. Y'all do shirts as well?
Yes, sir.
Do y'all just do printings, or do y'all do screen printings?
Do screen printing too.
Oh, word? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to come up here and get some custom shirts made. If y'all watched my live video when I shot the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, when I actually went live, I actually gave you guys a prototype of what my YouTube merch is going to be and that I'm working on. So I'm still going to be trying to work on the design kinks or whatever and whatnot, but hopefully by the summer of this year I have an official merch line for you guys to purchase if you guys want to show support to the channel. So stay posted on that. I'm gonna have them put these things on. I could put them on myself, but I just want to make sure they get done right. I'm real OCD when it comes to my car, so I generally don't want to mess things such as vinyls and stuff up, especially when it comes to filling in letters and stuff like that. Little hood wraps and simple wrap jobs is easy, but when it comes to this stuff, I'll go ahead and let the businessman do his thing. You got anything for my viewers, man? Anything you want to say about your business?
No.
No, he's not real
Man,
photogenic.
a few words.
Nah, real talk. Make sure y'all come check them out. Graphics Mafia. Like I said, they do wrap jobs. Just to reiterate, wrap jobs, shirts, screen printings, as y'all just heard. Stickers. Like I said, I got all my car club decals from them here. I did not get that. I ordered that online, so just make sure y'all don't. But I'm pretty sure he can do that little gas cap thing as well. I got my Instagram handle and YouTube handle right here. The only thing I did not get done here, and that's because I had it already set up through another company is my YouTube handle on the back. So that's the only thing that I did not get done here. But yeah, and his prices are very reasonable, so make sure y'all come check them out, man. Got this thing filled in. Looks good. Looks good. I like it. Look how that ties in with the wheels. It definitely gives it a nice contrast. Still got to get the play sign filled in, but that's coming here in a second. Just wrapped up the other side. All that's left now is the play logo. That looks dope. That definitely looks dope. Actually, I don't think I got you guys a video with these wheels in direct sunlight. These wheels look amazing in direct sunlight. It pops. Also, if you watch my wheels video, I did get some more spikes. I finally got my spikes in, so I don't have 2 missing spikes no more. And as I'm getting my car worked on, I run into one of my homies.
What's going on,
What's
man?
going on, big man? How you been?
Good.
What you want? You want to shout something out for my YouTubers or anything like that? Where they can find you at or anything?
Shit, man. You can find me on Instagram at Kanklespanker.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, I know it's weird. Or right here at the shop at Malahini Customs.
You already know.
Already
You
know.
already know. Speaking of, I gotta talk to them guys here in a second. But it is finally done. It is all set up. Got the play sign in over here. Got that filled in. I like how that came out. It definitely looks really good. Really good. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, man. Definitely let me know in the comments what y'all think. Y'all think I should do something to that Hemi on the hood? I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to fill that whole Hemi in, because I know some people are like, won't you get that whole Hemi filled in? I don't know. That's probably doing too much. But let me know in the comments what y'all think. I'm gonna go ahead and pay this man and get back on the road. All right.
All right.
Well, I appreciate you, big guy.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
I'll walk over and I can
Oh yeah. Let me go in here. I don't know if y'all remember, well, I'm pretty sure y'all remember. Like I said, I got something big coming to the channel, and this is the shop that's gonna be doing it. So I'm not going to, I'm just gonna show you guys the sign. I'm not going to bring you guys completely into this conversation because I don't want to spoil what's going on to my car, but the major modification that's coming is getting done right in his shop. All right, so I'm leaving the other shop right now. Make sure everything is set up and straight, because it is getting taken into the shop here in the next week and a half. Actually, it's getting taken in the shop in the next week and a half. So, but show you guys again what I got done. Actually, it looks good. Like I said, it's a nice little accent piece for the car to tie in the wheels. And hold on, I gotta do my little startup. Never gets old. I'm telling y'all, never gets old. I should make that a slogan, never gets old. What y'all think? But anyways, like I said, I'm getting the car dropped off in about a week and a half to get a major modification done. Like I said, I've been mentioning it for the past couple of videos, so make sure, I'm telling y'all, make sure if you haven't hit that notification bell, make sure you hit that notification bell and hit all in the notification bell so y'all don't miss what I got coming up, because I got some heat coming up and they got everything sitting in that shop ready for me. Yeah, I can't spoil it right now. I cannot spoil it for you guys, so just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, y'all. I gotta run a couple of errands right now and get some things taken care of for myself. So I'm gonna just wrap this thing up for today and catch y'all on the next one. So like, comment, subscribe. If you want to follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me right here. If you want to show support to the channel on any of your pictures and videos on Instagram that you post, make sure you hashtag salute. Put that for you guys right here as well. Hashtag salute on all those pictures and videos. Again, thanks to all my subscribers and supporters of this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. I promise you, I appreciate you guys so much. And until next time, YouTube, I hope y'all have a good day.